Welcome to the world's most luxurious Halal Ice Cream Factory.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Halal Factory.
Premium halal milk has arrived for today's production. Fresh premium cream is ready for mixing. Only the finest halal ingredients are selected for every ice cream. The sugar syrup is perfectly prepared for mixing.
Every ingredient passes strict halal quality standards.
The milk is now perfectly filtered and ready for processing. Pasteurization is complete. The milk is perfectly safe and fresh. Our ice cream base is now perfectly smooth and creamy. The premium ice cream base is perfectly blended.
Our premium vanilla creates a rich and luxurious taste.
The chocolate flavor is perfectly balanced. Only fresh strawberries create our premium flavor. Premium Alfonso mango gives our ice cream its signature flavor. The ice cream base is aging perfectly for maximum creaminess. The freezing process creates our signature smooth texture. Perfect air incorporation creates our premium texture. Every ripple is created with perfect precision. Premium mix-ins make every scoop unforgettable. Every cone is baked with perfect shape and crispness. Our cones are baked to golden perfection. Only perfect cones continue to the filling line. Every cone is filled with perfect precision. This is where every ice cream becomes a luxury masterpiece.
Premium cookies create our signature creamy crunch.
Every strawberry swirl is perfectly balanced. Fresh Alfonso mango creates our premium tropical flavor. Every sundae is layered with perfect precision. Our premium pistachio ice cream is crafted from the finest ingredients. Every ice cream is frozen to the perfect texture.
Premium cups are ready for filling.
Every cup receives the perfect serving.
Every cup is perfectly sealed and traceable.
Our premium family packs are crafted for everyone to enjoy. Premium Belgian chocolate chips create an unforgettable taste. Every caramel ribbon is perfectly controlled. rich brownie pieces make every scoop extra indulgent. Every premium flavor is now ready for final inspection. Only products meeting our highest halal standards move to packaging. Every wrapper is printed with premium food-grade quality. Every product is securely packaged for freshness. Every carton is packed with maximum protection. Every export carton is sealed and verified.
Every pallet is ready for smart warehouse storage.
Every pallet is safely stored at the perfect temperature.
Every product is tracked in real time with complete accuracy. Our autonomous fleet delivers every pallet safely and efficiently. Every shipment is verified before dispatch. Our refrigerated fleet is ready for global delivery. Every shipment is loaded under strict cold chain conditions. Every shipment is handled with precision and care. Our premium halal ice cream is ready for the world. Maintaining freshness from factory to destination. Delivering premium halal quality to customers around the globe.
Every member of our team makes this factory successful. Thank you all. Congratulations on your outstanding dedication and excellence.
Cleanliness and halal quality are our highest priorities.
Thank you for visiting the Halal Factory. We look forward to welcoming you again. Assalamu alaikum.
From fresh halal ingredients to premium frozen desserts, every step is crafted with excellence.